Alright, we're gonna lap it up some more, and you see. Every little grind getting smoother. This thing starts out at 120, then it goes 4 different grits. So it hits, say when I got it like that, I push it forward, and that unwinds the hose a little bit. And when this thing goes 120 to 220, so you add water to it at the last cut, and that smooths out the fine smoothing. Alright, so that's how we do that. And right now we need to hook our hose back, which I got the hose back on there. We're going to add a little bit more of this paste, cut it up a little bit better, and we'll just put some more paste on there. It's hard to look at the paste, the valve, and the camera at the same time, so we're going to give it a shot like that. Okay, that's pretty much it right there. Put more paste on it, pull it in, and slowly turn it. Spread the paste around, bring it up. Spread the paste around. Tube slips off, you just put it right back on. Could put a hose clamp around the tube, I suppose, but it'd be extra work. So I just slide it on there pretty good. Anyway, it's a pain in the ass. Keep popping the tube off. Maybe a hose clamp would be better, but for now, the last one to do on the exhaust side. So I thought I'd show you guys, and I'm just gonna go slow with it. If I don't pull so hard and go slow, it'll work. So I'm just listening to it grind. See how smooth it's sounding there? Every now and then here's a hard grind. I'm pulling back just a little bit. It's a little tiny touch. Not much. Not much on that. You hear that smoothness? I think it's ready for the water grind. So I speed it up a little bit. See how smooth it sounds? Good. Sounds good to me. So now what I do is I'll take this little cap, little bottle cap, and I'll fill that little bottle cap with that much water, pour it on the valve as it's turning. Something like that. Nothing major, nothing big. Pour a little bit on the valve, and then I'll pour a little bit as it turns, maybe. Alright, you get the gist of it. So, let's put this on here again. Hang on one second. Okay, now that I'm in the watered down version of this, that reduces the grit. It washes the grit down to 220 grit, which gives you that finer grind. This thing looks so big. It's so big when it's close up, but really that's not a very big valve. This is the exhaust valve in the D21 Nissan Hardbody. But listen to that. Hear that smoothness? I just so quiet. When it starts getting quiet like that, see, I let off right there, see? Now pull it back. Just quiet again, right? There you go. Now let's take a look at that. Turn it over. Lay that down there. Turn this valve train over. Pop that thing up. Go ahead and get her out. Alright. Lay that there. Get our nice rag. And we'll clean this up some, see? Clean this up a little bit. We're going to clean it all up with some carburetor cleaner or something before we grease it and lube it and put it all back together. But look how pretty that valve is. Look at that seat. See the angle, how clean, no pits, nice and cut. Alright, and the same thing with our actual valve. If we look at it, it should be nice and kind of new looking edge. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Alright, let's take a look in the light. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Still got that little edge up top, but you got the cut right there that seals. Alright, so we can drop that in there. Look at that. And once we get it in there, we can take it, tilt it up a little bit, and then look at the seal. That's the flat sticking up. It's supposed to be there. But you hear that? And it's nice, and it's a nice tight seal because it barely wants to turn. If this thing was out around, it would turn a lot easier. But that's what you want right there. Listen to that. That's nice. So I'm looking around it, looking for like gaps. I don't see any gaps around it, so it's sealing good. We know it's going to seal good because both of the edges are cleaned up. There's no pits, no cracks. We're all good there. So all of our exhaust valves are done. Now we just got 8 more intakes. I guess these are intakes. I believe they're intakes. I'm not sure, but y'all put it in the comments if the little ones are the intake or the exhaust, because I really don't know, but I was told that those are the intakes and the big ones are the exhaust. If you think the video sucks, go ahead and troll. If it helped you in any way, give it a thumbs up and like it, and I would appreciate anything you can do for me. So I'm putting these out on my time and trying to teach those that don't know, and I'm learning as I go. So if I'm doing anything wrong, let me know, guys. Alright, y'all have a good weekend. This is Saturday, about the 20-something of, what the hell month is this? October. Yeah, and we're out in the woods in the backyard still working on the Nissan Hardbody. If y'all forgot, it's been a while. It's been a while. That's a drift bike that I'm making. I'm making a drift bike, and then I gotta carry that up the hill and install it in a Subaru. So yeah, that's the game plan. Get that Nissan looking good. Alright, peace.